This How to 1 Minute will show you how to import and export widget settings in WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins section and click on Add New. Click on this Search Plugins box and right here Widget Importer and install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, now hover over on Tools and click on Widget Importer and Exporter. And here you will get this Import Widgets option and Export Widgets option. First of all, let's export our widget settings by clicking on it. And as you can see, it's downloading. And to import any widgets, click on Choose File. And now select the exported widget and make sure the format is .wie. Click on Open and click on Import Widgets. So that's how we can export and import widget settings on WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.